Yes. Welcome back, children. So, our lesson is India's relations with other countries, and already we have discussed about India's relationship with China. Ashwit, can you tell me in which year India-China war was fought? In which year India-China war was
1962.
Your answer is correct. 1962. Then, did India win the war, Sumit? Did India win the war? Sumit, are you there? Who won the war? India or China? Nikhil Naik? Nikhil, who won the war? India or China? 1962 war. No. Then Preeti. Preeti, who won the war?
हाँ माता जी
Who won the war?
China.
China won the war. Okay, yeah, thank you. So now let us discuss about India's relationship with the next country. Afterwards, we will discuss about Pakistan. First, let us discuss about Russia. Okay. So, what do you know about India-Russia relationship from your side? Raise your hands and tell. What do you know about India-Russia relationship? Akshay,
The relationship between India and Russia is very good.
Hmm.
They were supplying arms to India.
Exactly.
Actually, they were helping in upgrading our armed forces.
Definitely.
And in space, also they were helping us.
Exactly. In space science, yes, in strengthening our armed force, they have helped us. Then, any other point? Yes, Akshay has told these many points. Is there anyone else who can add the points? No one is there. Okay. See, today it is called Russia, no? But before 1991, it was called USSR, okay? Union of Socialist Soviet Russia, USSR, it was called. Union of Socialist Soviet Russia or Soviet Republic was also, it was called. So, this with this also, with USSR also, up to 1991, India had got a very cordial relationship. Always we remained as very good friends. Then in the means India practiced non-aligned policy. No, Russia was communist bloc. Russia was there in communist bloc. It was its leader. India practiced non-alignment policy. But till even though India practiced non-alignment policy, India did not support communism. But Russia, it supported India in all the difficult times. See here, in the year 1961, there was a problem in India relating to liberation of Goa. So Goa was the administrative center of which European country? Actually, do you know? No, it's not French. Aniket, do you remember? Aniket, do you remember?
No, Mataji.
Yeah, you don't remember. Okay. What about Nitin? Nitin, do you remember? Neha V. Hegde. Nivedita. Nivedita, do you remember?
Yes, Mataji. Portuguese.
Portuguese, exactly. Goa was the administrative center of Portuguese in the year 1510. Hoda, the Portuguese, they occupied Goa from Bijapur Sultans. You have studied now in the first lesson, advent of Europeans to India. So this Goa, Portuguese, see one important thing. Portuguese were the first European country to come to India for trade. 1498, it was Vasco da Gama, no, who discovered trade, new route to India after the fall of Constantinople to Ottoman Turks. It was this person, right? Vasco da Gama. They came to India first, but they were the last country to go from India. In the year 1947, British went. In the year 1954, 55, at that time the French went. But the Portuguese, they were not ready to leave our Goa. So Indians, they had to fight against these Portuguese. Portuguese, they were trying to bring army from Europe and Africa. See, to save Goa in India, they tried to bring separate army from Europe and Africa. But anyhow, Indians did not allow Portuguese to stay here. In the year 1961, Goa was liberated. Okay, so during this liberation of Goa time, no, Russia helped us, USSR helped us. Then next comes opposed China's attack on India in the year 1962. See, China, Russia, both of them were communist countries. India, democratic country. Who should actually Russia support? According to their rule, it had to support whom? China, right? But Russia did not do like that. So it opposed China's attack on India in the year 1962. Then what happened? To improve the relationship between India and Pakistan, it tried to what? Bring India and Pakistan together. It made, okay, Tashkent agreement was signed between Indian Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. Do you remember? So it is in this place, in this Tashkent, Lal Bahadur Shastri died. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇತ್ಲಾಗೆ ಅದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ವಿಚಾರ. ತಾಷ್ಕೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳುವಂತದ್ದು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮೂವಿ ಕೂಡ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ, ಲಾಲ್ ಬಹದ್ದೂರ್ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಿ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಡೆತ್ ಹೇಳುವಂತದ್ದು ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ತಾಷ್ಕೆಂಟ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಡ್ ಬೈ Russia in the year 1966 to improve the relationship between India and Pakistan. Okay. Then afterwards, in the year 1971, we have signed a peace pact for 20 years to help each other in the field of economics, in the field of trade, okay, in all these fields, industries and all, to help each other. Nam help kinta ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಕಿಂತ ಅವರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. So in the year 1971, a peace pact was signed. It was signed for 20 years. Then next one is, children, we have steel plants. ಕಬ್ಬಿಣ ಮತ್ತು ಉಕ್ಕು ಕಾರ್ಖಾನೆ. We have steel plants at two places. Now also it is there. Bhilai and Bokaro in the state of Jharkhand. Okay, we have these two places, Bhilai and Bokaro, and these steel plants were established with the help of, with the support of Russia, because we were not, means we have not achieved much in technology at that time when these steel plants were established. So to establish these steel plants, Russia supported us. Then next comes support to industries, very general point. Then till today, support to India to become the permanent member of Security Council. See here, permanent member of Security Council. So as of now, we can say that India is the most eligible country to become the permanent member of Security Council. ಯಾವುದೇ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ India has never acted selfish. We have not invaded anybody. Okay, we have not what wished for gaining the prosperity on the cost of other nations. So the ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ರಿಚ್ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಕನಸನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಮುಂದೆ ಕಾಣೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಂತದ್ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ. See, we have United States of America, we have England, we have France, we have Russia, we have China as the permanent members of Security Council. ಇವರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೂ ಕೂಡ India stands in the first place in maintaining world peace and security. Non-alignment movement, it was the thought of Indian leader. Okay, so that's why Russia is supporting India's claim to become the permanent member of Security Council. What is the importance of the Security Council? That we will learn in the coming lesson in political science. Okay, so this is how we can say that India's relationship with Russia, it is what very cordial and it has remained good always. Children, do you have any doubts here so far? Is there anybody with doubt? Yes, I have Pannagano. No doubt. Yes. Yes. Did you understand? Anurag? Anurag? Anurag, are you there? Did you understand or not? Tell me that. That much is enough. Anurag is not there, has left the meeting. Oh, very sad. Nagraj, are you there? Nagraj, are you there? Nagraj also has left the meeting. Huh? Anurag, Nagraj have left the meeting. What about Nutan? Nutan,
Yes, Mataji.
you are there, no? Did you understand?
Yes.
Nice. Then next, Bhuvana. Bhuvana, are you there?
Yes, Mataji, I'm here.
Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Anjali is not there today, no? Yashaswini,
Yes, Mataji.
did you understand?
Yes, Mataji.
Vaishnavi GM. Vaishnavi GM. Vidya. Vidya,
Mataji.
tell me in which year Goa was liberated? In which year was Goa liberated? Vidya.
Mataji, 1961.
1961. Siri? Siri? In which year Tashkent Agreement was signed? Siri, in which year was Tashkent Agreement signed? Sinchana Dibat.
In 1966.
Yes, Tashkent Agreement was signed in the year 1966. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, children. Now, today's last topic, India's relationship with Pakistan. You all know what type of relationship we have. Very cordial one, no? Huh? Do we have a cordial relationship with Pakistan? Akshay? Very cordial, no? Huh? See, we have got strained relationship, right? Since the birth of Pakistan, we have got what? Strained relationship with itself. See, 1947 we got independence. India and Pakistan became two separate countries. In the very next year, 1948, Pakistan invaded our nation. Okay, 1948 Jammu Kashmir ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ ಜಮ್ಮು ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರದ ರಾಜ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ Pakistan attacked Jammu Kashmir. So that Jammu Kashmir issue till today it is not solved. Then it has become the reason for whatever terrorist attacks are taking place in India. No? For all those things, this Jammu Kashmir is the main cause. Okay, we have Pak occupied Kashmir. This type of we have code for India. Two codes we have, right? So ಇಚ್ಚೆಗೊಂದು ಕೋಡು ಉಂಟು ಅದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಕೋಡು ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ ಕೈಲಿ ಉಂಟು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕೋಡು ಚೀನಾದ ಕೈಲಿ ಉಂಟು ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೌದಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ so far some 4 wars have been fought between India and Pakistan. 1948, you know. Then can anybody tell me the years in which India and Pakistan have fought? Anybody? 1999, Kargil war was fought. Akshay told me the answer. Then Rashmi?
1965.
1965, yes, nice answer. During Lal Bahadur Shastri's time, we won against Pakistan. Another war?
1971.
1971. So, for giving independence to Bangladesh, we became the party to war there in the year 1971. So, 4 wars have been fought. 1948, 1965, 1971 and 1999. Very happy. We in all these 4 wars we have won. Okay. But Jammu Kashmir issue has remained as the problem. To improve the relationship between India and Pakistan, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ದಿನ ದಿನ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೋಳಿ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, because we are neighbors, right? So, to improve the relationship, many treaties have been signed. First one is your Tashkent Agreement, 1966. Then Shimla Pact was signed. Then afterwards, Agra Conference, Agra ke bandidru. ಕಡೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಟಲ್ ಬಿಹಾರಿ ವಾಜಪೇಯಿ ಅವರು ಲಾಹೋರಿಗೆ ಬಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಸ್ಸಿನ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇತ್ತು 1 ವರ್ಷ 20. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಟೆರರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ನಾವು ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಯ್ತು. ಸೊ Lahore bus yatra, it is popular as. See, these 4 agreements are important agreements signed between India and Pakistan to improve the relationship, but Pakistan did not support in any way, right? Pathankot attack, then it attacked, terrorist attacks were made on India's parliament itself, 2001. The very place, or it is considered as the temple of democracy, on that parliament itself, terrorists attacked. Then Mumbai attack. So that problem, it means the problems created by Mumbai attack, it is not solved till today. So Pakistan has not supported us in any way. With all these border problems, we have water dispute also. About which river do we have water dispute with Pakistan? Does anybody know the answer? About which river? Yes, Soumya Hegde.
Indus Mataji.
River Indus, River Sindhu, because River Sindhu, it rises near Mount Kailash and it flows in India and it joins Arabian Sea after flowing through Pakistan. ಅದು ಶುರುವಾಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಉಂಟು, ವಾಟರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ಉಂಟು. ಸೊ these are all what some reasons for the strained relationship between India and Pakistan. Just I'll share the page for you once you go through the page. These are all few important points discussed in your textbook. Okay, on this you have to concentrate. In your textbook they have mentioned 3 wars. I think they have not considered 1971 war, because to help Bangladesh we had to take part in that war. 1971. Yes. Now, one more 2 marks question is there about the relationship between India and Pakistan. What similarities do we have? First of all, cultural, common culture we have, because till 1947 we were one single nation. So we have common culture. Then we have what? Children, geographical similarities are there. Other 3 points, point number 2, point number 3 and point number 5, they explain what, children, why till today we have got some relationship with Pakistan. Adu cholodo halo sambandha illa. Because of what? Economic interest. We have some kind of relationship, economy, the economic ties are there. Then mutual trade is there between India and Pakistan. And one more thing is, during natural calamities, both of us have helped each other. So Pak occupied Kashmir dalli ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 4 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಮಳೆ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೆಲಿಕಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಏರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ದೇರ್. ಮೇ ಬಿ earthquake, I don't remember exactly, earthquake I think, yes. Okay, so during natural calamities and emergency time, both of us have helped each other. So This is how some type of relationship we have with Pakistan. Yeah, children. So tomorrow we are going to end this lesson. United States of America and India we have to discuss. In the next part of the class, we will discuss the grammar part of moral action lesson. Okay. So now let us end the class here. Whatever homework and all you have to do, no, complete it fast. Okay. Thank you very much. Let us end the class.